Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm with a special guest who goes by the name
TMK Money on YouTube.
And in today's video, we're gonna be explaining and I'm gonna be showing you some markets that can make you win on Betway. So make sure that you watch full video.
Guys, make sure you watch the full video because what we're gonna talk about today is gonna blow your mind. So make sure you watch the video until the end.
Like in today's video, I want us to talk about the handicap. Do you know the handicap market, my brother?
I'm familiar with it, but yeah, you can show us how you do your own bets with handicap.
Yeah, like this market is really guaranteed. You can win a lot with this market.
Bro,
It's
like
not
100% or
yeah, like 100%. You
so
can
which
win a
means
lot
if
with this
after watching this video I will know how to
bet.
bet handicap.
Yeah, because this market is guaranteed to win with on Betway.
I've never betted handicap, like I don't know, like I have never betted that. I just watched a lot of videos about it, but I haven't uh, betted yet.
Okay. I don't worry. In today's video, I can understand. Like, as you can see, Sporting Lisbon versus Rio Ave FC. If I select here, I'm actually saying that Sporting Lisbon.
Okay.
If Sporting Lisbon scores 2 goals,
Yeah.
I lose.
Okay.
But if Sporting Lisbon scores 1 goal, even if this team doesn't score a goal, I win.
Yeah.
Or if it's a 1-1, I win. But if Sporting Lisbon scores 2 goals, I lose my bet.
Or which means if you're choosing Sporting Lisbon as a handicap, you're trying to say that Sport Lisbon has to score at least 1 goal, right?
Like
Or a win.
for example,
Yeah.
like this both of these are different because
Okay.
if I select here,
Okay.
I'm actually saying that if Sporting Lisbon, in other words, if Sporting Lisbon scores 2 goals, I lose.
Okay.
But if I come here and bet here, I'm actually saying that Sporting Lisbon should lead with 2 goals upwards.
Okay.
It should lead with 2 goals upwards.
Okay.
That's what it means. So both of these markets are different here. But
Yeah.
the thing I love about this market is that it's guaranteed because I can just come here. I can just come here, look the odds. I can
Unless.
select here because if I select here, I'm actually saying that if Sporting Lisbon scores 4 goals, I lose. And remember, it's not every team that can score 4 goals on its own.
Yeah.
So that's why I love the handicap market because it's guaranteed. I win this market. I win this
Okay.
market.
Okay.
It's a guaranteed market. Like, what do you think about this market so far? Like, what do you understand about this
I
market?
think it's a great market when it comes to handicap because the way you explained it make more sense. And I would like you to explain to those who are watching this video right now. Just explain to them so that they can understand. Just focus on them.
Yeah, right on that one. Like, to my subscribers, as you can see,
Yeah.
like these markets are different, as you can see. Because look here, there's the 0.1, 0.2.
Yeah.
If I bet the 0.2 here, I'm actually saying that if Sporting Lisbon scores 3 goals,
Yes.
I lose.
Yeah.
But if Sporting Lisbon scores 2 goals, even if this team doesn't score 1 goal, I win. As long as Sporting Lisbon doesn't score 3 goals, I win my bet.
Yes.
That's how it is. That's why handicap is a guaranteed market that you can win with a Betway. And you can actually make a lot of money with this market. Just imagine placing maybe 7 teams. You're
Okay.
gonna win with this market.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a guaranteed market. If you ask me, I think this market.
So in terms of odds,
Hmm.
how many odds do we get from this market? Like when it comes to recommendations, how can you recommend us when it comes to you choosing odds? Like because some of them like they usually uh choose bigger odds. So wanna know with your strategy, how do you basically like bet? Like you made me understand what is handicap, but like in terms of strategy,
Strategy.
yeah, how do you win with this market?
Like it's easy for me to win because what I can do is I can like bet here.
Yeah.
I always go for teams like this. I always go for teams that like score a lot and for teams that don't score a lot.
Okay.
Because I know that even though Sporting Lisbon is a scoring team, but I don't think it will score for
Oh,
goals on its own.
like you don't care about the odds, right?
Yeah, you could say that. I don't
Yeah.
care about the odds.
You're just looking for teams
Yeah,
that usually.
yeah, that usually score a lot and the other
Okay.
one doesn't score a lot. Because that
Okay.
way I have a good advantage of getting some at least decent odds, maybe 7 odds in total if I bet maybe at least 5 teams. So
Yeah.
that's why I love this market. This market is guaranteed to bet with on Betway if you want to win.
Sounds interesting. Sounds interesting. So, okay. So I think like now I know the handicap market. What market can you also show us here?
Yeah, that's a good question. I want to show you guys another market because a lot of people are saying they don't understand this market that I'm about to show you. I love this market too. I love this market too. This market is profitable. Do you know about this market? The 1 to 10
Yeah, 10
minutes.
minutes. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know this one.
What do you think about this market? Like, do you think a lot of
Yeah.
people can win a lot on this market, or do you think it's a bad market to bet with on teams that score a lot?
Okay, for this market, what I can say, since it's 10 minutes, right? So for this market, you should focus on teams that score a lot because some teams, since like some teams, once they start playing, they score a lot. That's why I'm saying that you should focus on teams that score a lot. You should bet teams that score a lot, actually, with this market.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. But like the thing about this market is that let's say
Yeah,
since it's 10 minutes,
yeah,
for instance, let's say if Sporting Lisbon
yeah,
scores one goal,
yeah,
scores one goal before the timer limit
yeah,
exceeds 10 minutes,
yeah,
we lose
yeah. We lose.
because it's no longer a draw.
Yeah,
We lose. So me personally, I think maybe I was gonna bet this market whereby I think you're also on a good point whereby you said we should bet this market on teams that score a lot because
yeah,
if both teams score a lot, it's going to be hard for them to score because both of the teams do score a lot.
yeah,
So it's going to be hard. So I think
yeah,
this market is good to bet with because we just did 10 minutes only 10 minutes. Just
yeah,
a draw within 10 minutes and we'll win our bet. As you can see, there's decent odds too. Just imagine if we place maybe 10 teams, we
yeah.
want to get at least a lot of odds.
A
So
lot of odds. Yeah.
yeah, so this is a good market too.
And also this one here. I hope you know it. Yeah. Usually, I'm not like I don't usually bet a lot of markets, but I usually know some of those markets. So this one is last goal, and also this first goal. This one is last goal. So here you focus on the teams that gonna. Okay, let me just open this one. So when I like, what do you think about this one here? This
Like
last goal, yeah.
like this market, does it mean like a team whereby the team that's going to score the last goal?
Yeah, that's the market. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, like this market, I won't say I'm good with this market because I don't bet with this market because it's kind of risky
Okay.
for me.
Yeah,
It's
the
kind
last goal. Yeah.
yeah, it's kind of
Yeah, you
risky.
focus on the team that will score last.
Score last.
Yeah, the last team that is
The
going
last
to
team will
score.
score.
Yeah, that's the last goal. So you should know which one gonna be the last one to score.
Mm,
So for me, I could like choose this one. Like
this one.
simply, I can choose this one as the last goal. You understand?
And you just gave me a good idea.
Yeah,
Like I think I'm going to experiment this market because
yeah,
I'm going to experiment this market on teams
yeah,
that don't score a lot. Because let's say, for instance, let's say if teams are playing and they don't usually score a lot, and
yeah,
I place none, I'm going
yeah.
to get a lot of odds.
Simply,
Simple.
yeah,
With just two teams, I'm going to get a lot of odds.
yeah.
So I think it's a good market too that we should experiment and try on our next upcoming videos. So
Yes.
make sure that you subscribe, guys. If you want to catch our next upcoming videos, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any
And
videos.
also, we're gonna give you a bonus with the first goal. Here, we're talking about the team that gonna score first. This is the first goal. So usually, I could like run for this one also, guys. With this market, if you're gonna bet like 5 or 6 with this market, you're gonna get a lot of odds. And then if you bet like with bigger amount, you have chances
Of winning
of
more.
winning.
Mm.
Because they only focus, guys, on the team that's gonna first score. You only focus on that team, and for you to get that team, it's just basically choosing less odds. Because if you're gonna choose the big odds, already like the big odds, we're talking about the teams that are weak. You understand? So here we're 100% sure that Sporting Lisbon is
Sporting
going to be
Lisbon
the first one
to score.
to score.
Yeah.
That's it. So we're gonna like bet even 10, guys. You can catch even 10. Simple with this one. Understand?
Yeah, this market is also good because even if a team loses, as long they score the goal first,
Yeah,
we win. We're done.
we're
We
done.
win.
We're done. We
So
don't
this
care.
market is also good. This
Yeah.
is a recommended market that you guys should bet with.